Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lecture by Mr. Dominic. Today I will going to show you how you can generate a password randomly with the help of Python code. In this video I will show you by writing the code as I have already written the code, and I will show you how you can run and how you can generate the code, as well as I will explain you how you can write a code in a Python to generate a random password for any password system, like where you need to set the password. If you want to set a password for your system, your computer, your Wi-Fi, your mobile, or anywhere where you need a password, you can set it. So it will this code will help you to generate a password based on that. So let me explain you how you can code it and how you can run it. As you can see here, this is my folder where I've written the code, and my main file is this run.py. Let me run this code and show you how you can generate the password, and then I will explain you how it will be, how it will work. So before going to that, you need to go to the path where your file is there. In a command prompt, I went to the same path. It is there in this 3D object generate password random. In order to run it, just type Python, because this is a Python file, and you need to go to this main file where I've written the main logic to generate the password, and then just type it run.py. Once you type it, it will show you. See, the password is generated, which is of around 7 digit. You can change the size also, and you can make it. This thing I have done in order to make it more attractive, and that's the reason I have done this. If you want, you can change it, you can change anything from this, you can add it, you can remove it based on your requirement. So let's see that how we write the code. So in order to do that, we have created for some files that you will going to call the function. So let's start it. The main file that you needed was the source file. I have created one library. Usually import whatever file we import on our code is usually the Python code. So here I have done the same thing. I have written this code to generate the Python password. Here you can see I have imported string and random, and based on that I have written one function here that will going to read based on the ASCII value, the string character, that is uppercase, lowercase, and digit. And I have decided that my size of the password should be 8. So here I will going to return the password based on that random choice that is made in this character. That is any of this. Either it is uppercase, either it is lowercase. So it is a combination of password it will going to generate. This character will generate either this uppercase, lowercase, or digit. So it's a combination of this, it can generate it. And now here I will going to return it. So this double single quote I have written so that it will going to append whatever it will going to generate it on this, and at the end we will generate a password. So before generating the password, here you might have seen it's looking join random dot choice character for x. So this for loop will run in the range from whatever size you will assign. So here I have assigned 8, and it will go till n minus 1. So if you specify here 16, it means that it will go to starting from the index 8, it will run till n minus 1, means starting from 8 it will run till 15 index, and based on this whatever the indexes you are reading. So here this x variable will be assigned starting from the size, what is the size value you initialize, 8, and it will run till 16, that is n minus 1, that is 15. So almost 8 character password you are reading. You can vary this number in order to generate a password more than that. I will show you how you can do it. Once you are done with this, you will write a method, another method, and you will going to call it. You will simply print it random password generate ICO, means the password that we will going to generate it, you will going to print it. Whatever the password will be generated by this method, we will going to call inside this method, and we will going to print it. This thing you can do based on your choice. Like if you like, then you can edit. As I made it in order to upload in the YouTube, so that's why I have added this content, so that it can show me that this is I have made this code and I have mentioned my detail. If you want, you can remove or you can add detail based on your choice. I thought to add it so that it will look more genuine and it will look more attractive. So that's the reason I have added here. So here I will going to add it some more hash sign. Once you are done with this, just click the save button. So this code will get saved. Now the main file, that is run.py, here I will going to call import os, that will be used for packaging your code and make your code suitable to run on the operating system. Then from source import password generate, the file that I have generated, this one where I have written the main logic, I will going to call in my code. So here I'm going to do the same. You can see here in that folder, in my actual folder where I kept all the file, here is one folder source is there. In that source folder, I have a main file. So here that's the reason I have given the path from source import password generate. Once I will give this path, I will call the method. In order to call, you need to use the file name. So password generate was a Python file. Inside that file, we have a random password generate ICO method. So you will going to call that and you will print it. So your password will be print in this form, password, whatever you want to show on the screen, you will write in a double quote, and the password generated by this method will be appear on the screen. And there is one more file, that is setup.py. This setup.py is also used for packaging the code. Here packaging in the sense like in the folder you have a multiple file, right? So in order to run those file effectively, you need to have a proper coordination between those, and you need to package the whole folder so that when anyone clone this folder on their local system and they want to run it, it can be run successfully. This detail, setup detail, I have provided from setup tool, is a library or package that is going for packaging all the file. And in this setup, I'm defining what actually the name of my code, version of Python, description. You can change it also. And this URL, author name, source, Python, usually 3, Python 3.9 I have used, and zip save. Here I'm not going to do the zip, that's why I have written false here. After doing that, you can save it. It's already saved. I have not done any changes here, so I will not. It's not a need to save it. Now, in order to run it, you need to go to the path and simply type Python, and which file you will going to run, this run.py. Why? Because from here you are calling the main function which will going to generate the password. See here, password, and it will, inside this file you will going to call this method random password generator. So see, is there any random password? Yeah, see this, the method is there, random password generator, which will going to generate the password of length 8, that is starting from 8 index to 16. So let's run this. So when I run this code, you can see here I generated a password which is of length 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So in this way you can generate the password, and it will all the time, it will get changed. Whenever you run freshly, it will generate a new password. So in this way you can use this password anywhere, for your system, for your online banking. So this code will helpful to you. So in this way I have shown you how you can write a Python code, and you can design it in a very effective way, and you can generate the password. This password, this code, you can use it to generate a password, and you can apply in your account, online shopping, and any portal, any website. This is a effective way of generating, and this thing is to just make you look attractive. I have added this from my site designing purpose. You can change it. If you like my video, then please subscribe. Go to my channel, lecture by Mr. Domne. Subscribe it. Please share this code and comment it, because your comment and your subscription will motivate me to add more video. Thank you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.